Alright, so day 82 of 100 days of making webcomics. My original plan for today did not go the way I wanted it to, so the idea I came up with yesterday of just doing line art for today went right out the window. But in any event, I still got a page done, which is always the ultimate goal. So this is page 64. Let's see what we got as I try to get organized, I guess. I did still record myself getting the line art in. That was actually accidental. I didn't intentionally do this. That's me sort of still trying to do different lines with my, or use different thickness of line as I draw my pictures. I pretty much started, and I sort of got this idea of the look from watching old, just the old bad sort of film footage of the original run of Dragon Ball Z. Some of those character drawings have really thick lines, and then the lines in between and the details and stuff like that are really small. I like that look, so that's what I've been doing. I've been using like brush 4 and 5 size to outline the character, and then going back in with smaller brushes with each almost layer of detail that I need to. I probably could have gotten away with using a slightly bigger brush just because this is sort of a splash page, kind of not. Today is another one of these victory pages in my comic. So, see, scrubbing along here because it's just line art. Alright, got that filled in. Merged the line art with the background layer, sort of did my flats on that. I still have, just for full disclosure, a second line art layer by itself, just in case I screw something up. I'm filling in the colors here. Obviously doing the flame designs as normal. Like I said, I had planned to do line art for numerous pages today, but today's just been weird. I don't know why this video is frozen like it is right now. Okay. Still nothing going on. Okay, let's do something about this. Let me just skip ahead quite a bit. Okay, filled in the background. Did I skip to another part where I'm just not doing anything for some reason? Okay. Finally starting to shade. What was also very strange about this drawing for today, I've drawn Rae-Kwan at least 1,000,000 times in this comic. I sort of could almost do the shading and highlights and drawing of Rae-Kwan in my sleep at this point. I have no idea why today's drawing took so long to get completed. If this was just a smaller panel, and maybe it's because of the size of the panel, I have no idea, but if this was a smaller panel, I would have been done with Rae-Kwan like that. I don't know why this took so long. It is just him. Like, there's nothing else to this picture other than I just needed to color Rae-Kwan today. Simple enough. It took forever. I don't know why. And it wasn't even like I added any special detail. Damn it. I gotta go back and add the little necklaces onto Rae-Kwan. I don't know how I forget those every single time. This is amazing to me at this point. Maybe if I did it within the second line art layer that I have, I don't know. Excuse me for yawning, but there's got to be some way that I've got to. Maybe I should just put like a sticky note somewhere nearby that just says remember to add the necklaces into Rae-Kwan. I forget every single time. Alright, still getting the shading in. I still kept with the motif of shading using the bluish color. it looks better to me when the whole entire picture is finished, but in the early stages I wasn't really feeling it that much. Alright, finishing up with the remainder of the shading, and that's it. Like I said, today was just a victory page, so this was simple enough. I didn't have enough time to actually work on the other pages I wanted to get done today so I could do a line art video. I'll have to go for that another time, but I did at least get today's page out. I got page 64 done, so I'm still chugging along in chapter 5 on schedule. Like I said, it's day 82. We're nearing the end. Only got maybe like 2 or 3 more weeks left. Actually, yeah, just a little over 3 weeks. No, little under 3 weeks. My math is horribly off. But in any event, though, let me know what you guys think of this page, or I should just say this picture of Rae-Kwan. And like, subscribe if you haven't. Just tune into the other art stuff that I'll have when this challenge is over, and all the previous speed paintings and crazy art challenges and other stuff that I have in my channel. And you all have a good one, and I'm out.